Hi friends, welcome to our phonics lesson for Wednesday. We're going to go ahead and get started with, I'm going to be holding up flashcards for chart 13. So see if you can do them. I might give you a hint on some of them, but we've gotten through most of chart 13. So let's do just a little testing yourself to see if you can tell me the special sounds as I hold them up. Remember, I'm not going to say them. You see if you can remember it, the sight word and the clue, the sound and the clue word for it as I hold up. Ready and begin. It's not R and star. Good job. Good job, guys. I'm glad that you practiced it. Remember, you can always go back to those charts that I made of YouTube. I made those charts that you could always practice. It's just about 5 minutes long. It's good practice for you to keep on reviewing those charts and those special sounds so that you are just getting better and faster and more knowledgeable with it. Okay, guys. So I'm going to be writing down a word on my whiteboard, and we're just going to go through some rhyming. So I'm going to be writing down the words, not rhyming, I'm sorry, opposite, okay? Rhyming is like hat, cat, mat, sack. Opposite means it's the exact difference of something. So left hand, right hand, okay? All right, so let me see here. So I'm gonna hold up a word, and then you go ahead and you shout out the opposite of this word, okay? What's the opposite of this word? What word is that? Out? What's the opposite? Did you say in? Good job, okay. Next word. I'll mark the word so you could read it yourself. The opposite. Boy. Did you say boy? Good job. What is the opposite? That's a D. I just gave you the answer if you were watching. Okay, what is the opposite of what's the opposite? Slow. The opposite of last one. This could be marked, instead of me doing this, guys, this could be marked like this. That's all in little. What's the opposite? That word is smile. The opposite of smile is frown. Yes. Okay, guys. All righty. So we're going to go ahead and take out our paper, page 145. Page 145 right here. So go ahead and grab your paper and your pencil, and I will share my screen with you. All righty, and we will do this together. So we have ton and nation, T-I-O-N, shun and missionary, S-I-O-N, and we're working on those. So what other special sounds? You say the first one. Ton and nation, T-I-O-N, shun and missionary, S-I-O-N. So we're going to circle those special sounds. Let's do the first one, ton and nation, or shun and nation, S-T-I-O-N. Motion. Action. Fraction. Station. I also circled ought and faucet in this one here. Caution. Election. Okay, now we're on shun and missionary, S-I-O-N. Permission. Expression. That's 3 syllables. Do you see that it's already divided it up? Expression. Confession. Confession. Good. Okay, now we're moving on to number 2. So we're going to add the suffix to each root word to make a new word. So the root word will not change. So with these ones, the root word does not change. We don't add double the final consonant. We don't take out the Y and add in an I. These are, we're adding the suffixes. Let's go over the suffixes. I'm going to highlight them, and you go ahead and say it with me as I highlight them. Okay, ready? What's this suffix? S, E, ing, d, t, ed, s, lee, n. Okay, those are all suffixes, so they get added to the root word. So some of these suffixes will apply to a lot of root words, but some of them won't because the word doesn't really make sense. So we're going to rewrite the whole word with adding any suffix that makes another word, that makes a word that makes sense. Okay, so what word is this first one? We have shout. So which one can we use? Which suffix can we use? Can we use shout, shouter? I don't know if that's a word. How about shoutly? Shoutly. Not sure about that one. How about shouted? Shouted. Yeah. So we're gonna SHOUTED. Okay, next one next to it. What word is this? That's spoil. Spoil. Okay. How about, can you think of one? You don't have to do the same one I do, but make sure when you add the suffix, it makes a word that makes sense. Okay, how about spoils? Spoils, yes, spoils. Spoils is a word. A sentence to go with that is that it spoils in the fridge. Like, so we're not changing the root word. We're just spelling the root word and adding the S. Not S and peaches, ES, just the plural S. Okay, next one. Think. How about, there's a few of them that will work. I'm going to choose thinking. I was thinking him yesterday. So I don't change anything. Okay, next word, we have crown. Crown. Crowny? No, that doesn't make sense. How about crowned? Crowned, yes. We don't change the root word. We just spell the word and add ED. Next word, open. Okay, well, there's three of them that would work. Do you see three of them? I see three of them. So opened, opens, oping. Okay, did you find any more that would work? Opener. Opener. Yeah, opener would work. That is a word. Let's spell with ER, OPENER. Next word, hatch. Oh, I know, we're all probably thinking the same thing, hatched. HATCHED, hatched. Good, next word, farm. Can you think of one? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 that I see that it would work. How about farming? Or farmer? Farmer, we think more farmer. Next one is fair. Fair. Oh, let's pick one that we haven't used. Let's pick one that we haven't used. How about lee and slowly? What word would that become? Fairly. We must play fairly. Talk. Let's see, what else can we use that we haven't used? Well, we've used the S. We haven't used ES, but talk as is not a word. Talky. Sometimes we say that like we're talky. Well, there's many of that we can use. Let's use ED. Talk, we spell the root word the same way and then just add ED. And the last word is fight. How about fighting? Fighting. There we are. Okay, so with those suffixes, we don't change anything. We leave the root word the same, and then we just add the suffix. The root word will not change. Okay, we're gonna save the back for tomorrow. I'm gonna come back to you all, and we are finished with our phonics lesson. Go ahead and practice more of those charts. I'm gonna see how you guys are doing with charts. You never know, maybe before our reading group, I'm gonna hold up a chart and we're gonna flash the chart cards around. Go ahead and grab a snack, get your wiggles out, and I will see you for our math lesson. Bye-bye.